Here's some settlement geography trivia. Subscribe. What city is famous for its canals in the Netherlands? Is it A. Rotterdam, B. The Hague, C. Groningen, or D. Amsterdam? The correct answer is D. Amsterdam. What is the capital of Japan? Is it A. Kyoto, B. Tokyo, C. Sapporo, or D. Osaka? The correct answer is B. Tokyo. What is the most populous city in Nigeria? Is it A. Abuja, B. Benin City, C. Port Harcourt, or D. Lagos? The correct answer is Lagos. Which city is the financial center of Italy? Is it A. Rome, B. Venice, C. Milan, or D. Florence? The correct answer is C. Milan. Which city is known as the Windy City? Is it A. Chicago, B. New York, C. Seattle, or D. San Francisco? The correct answer is A. Chicago. What is the capital of Egypt? Is it A. Giza, B. Cairo, C. Alexandria, or D. Luxor? Correct answer is B. Cairo. What is the name of the capital of Mexico? Is it A. Mexico City, B. Cancun, C. Monterrey, or D. Guadalajara? The correct answer is A. Mexico City. Which settlement is home to the Eiffel Tower? Is it A. London, B. Rome, C. Berlin, or D. Paris? The correct answer is D. Paris. What is the largest city in Australia? Is it A. Darwin, B. Adelaide, C. Sydney, or Canberra? The correct answer is C. Sydney. Which city is known for its Space Needle? Is it A. Los Angeles, B. Seattle, C. New York, or D. Chicago? The correct answer is B. Seattle. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.